How do you master your skill?
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay away.
Hello and welcome to the April potting shed tour. Okay, let's start here as I've already started. So these are all my herbs and that sort of stuff that are hardening off to go outside. So I have my flat leaf parsley, some more parsley over here, some lemon balm. This is dill that I've just potted up, reused label. This is the I think it's Arkansas. What is it? No, Macanzus. It's a tiny flower. It's taking forever to grow. Look how tiny it is. And then we have some of the calamine. And then we have the envy parsley here. You can tell because it's all gone curly at the ends. So that's envy. And then here I have some what's it called? Oh, oregano there. That's also oregano. I just split that in half and it's actually worked really great. And then here we have the zinnia at the back, and some of that Macanzus, which has actually done a lot better. That is just in the sunlight. This is a poppy, and this at the back here is the pink celery. Okay, so here I have a sea of the calamine, and I'm just using that as like a microgreen at the moment. Oh, it feels so good like that. This is obviously rosemary. Let's move that out of the way actually so the light doesn't go on. Okay, under here we have some globe artichokes, 3 of those. And then I've got some gypsy sweet peppers, which are these ones here. And then I have some mixed eggplants. They're like it's called a patio mix. Have a look to see what they are. So they are, it just says that. That's all. It's just a patio mix, whatever that means. That is really disgusting and slimy. I should leave it in there. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so here we have all of the different tomatoes. So far the beefsteak looks really strong and great. Oh, I have a little weed as well in there. Oh, bye weed. Okay, so that's the ox heart. That's a new one for me this year. Ace 55. The purple calabash is a returning champion of the garden. I really like that one. Blue Beauty is a returning one. It's another purple calabash. Another Blue Beauty. What's this one? Oh, another beefsteak. I tell you, the beefsteak ones are probably the biggest plants. They all planted at the same time, but they're the biggest. Another purple calabash, cayenne pepper, black cherry, white cherry. This is the blonde German tomato. It's so tiny. I've just watered it also. Explain. What's this one? This one, oh, is another Blue Beauty. You can see Blue Beauties I grew last year. The Blue Beauty and the purple calabash I grew last year, and there was another one, wasn't there? No, that was it. I grew last year, and the rest are new varieties to me, because I just like to change stuff bits up. But yeah, they're my favourites. For some reason I didn't do zebra stripe, which is my favourite tomato. Don't know why. These are my peas for peas for pea sprouts. There. And they're great in a little salad. I've emptied the last lot out, and these are all new fresh ones. And then I have some more globe artichokes that I'm starting from seed here. That's going to go out. I'm going to do like a perennial garden out the front, so they're going to join the lot there. Then I have all my lovely sunflowers here. These are the giant sunflowers here. I think they're giant Mongolian sunflowers. I'm really excited. These are a new variety for me. These are the red sunflower. Oh, I love them. I got a packet of them from a friend. They do need thinning out, but what I'm going to do is just repot them, see how well they do. I got them from a friend, and I love them. They're so beautiful. My starting like post thing has a red sunflower I grew last year. They're just amazing plants, and they're multi-headed, so they're fantastic. But I do think they are he accidentally crossed them or something, because they all come out different colours, but I love them. And then these are some artichokes that haven't sprouted yet. Just gonna pop them out of the way. What are these? And these are the penis chilies from my sister. Thank you. My birthday present just there. Okay, so this is the fennel. As you can see, the fennel is starting to sprout quite nicely. They keep leaning. I think they need a little bit more. I don't know, maybe I need to bring the lights down a little bit. But so far, so good. This is the pink celery. Pink Chinese celery, I believe it's called. Honestly, I'm never ever going to let this out of my life. This is the best. I love it. Everything about it, I love it. It's very easy to sprout. I've struggled with celery in the past, and literally I reckon if I threw this out of the window onto the grass, it'd grow. It's beautiful. I love it. It's so easy. These are the ones that I weeded out. I just pulled them out and I put them in soil, and every single one of them took. They are the best. I will never ever have them out of my garden. Okay, so this is some more bean sprouts, and these are just dried peas that I got off of Amazon for like nothing. They aren't the I do have ones that are called Shooting Star, I think it is, but I haven't used them. I've just used these because I've got hundreds of them, and my ducks just simply won't eat the peas dried. Okay, so these are the microgreens I've been growing, and they're just a mix of mustard, some random brassicas that, you know, when you get the bottom of the brassica tin and there's just a load of rubbish that's rolling around. That, really selling this, I know. And there were also some swede seeds and things like that. It's really great. It's quite spicy, but apart from that, I really do like it. This is just a younger version of it. You see, it hasn't been harvested or anything, and it's just growing up nicely. And then this has had one crop in, and this one's had one crop in as well. So they get more and more naked, and then what I do is I just pull it back and then put some more seeds down. So this is a mix that I've been making myself. Really easy. Just mix any seeds that are about the similar size. So this is more of the celery. I love it. Some of these ones, I think it's because they're directly under the lights. I should really move them. They're kind of getting a tinted leaf. So I'll move them, and I think I overwatered them a little bit. But apart from that, like, they're still going strong, and they're still going fantastic. I love them. In fact, I've got one of these just by the windowsill, and it's literally perfect. Just saying, these are the best. Okay. So here is obviously one of the wires. Just pop that up there. Right. So these are beetroots, and I think I can never say what they are cylindrical, I think, how you pronounce it. I'll put it up. And then this is basil here, normal sort of green basil. And then I think this is a parsley, or coriander, I think parsley. And then this is the saffron that I grew from seed. All but one sprouted, so I'm really proud of these. I actually didn't think it was possible to grow these, and I was wrong, so I love being wrong. These are the melons that I've planted. They do take a while to grow, so I don't expect them to do anything for now, but I've got a little while before they need to be out, so I'm not even worried about them. These are the Rudderbeck can't pronounce it. They're also very, very tiny, still in the soil blocks. But each one of them has a sprout. So, I mean, what else can you expect? Back onto the microgreens. These are my penis pumpkins here. Thank you so much for my sister, for my birthday present. These are the purple queen beans. They haven't started, but I've only just sprouted them, put these in, so I'm not expecting very much from them at the moment. And these are, oh, these are the fire tongue beans. I'm very excited about that. I'm hoping that they're going to come very, very soon, and I'm really excited about growing them. These are a new variety for me, and these are a new variety for me. I'm also doing runner beans and things like that, but I haven't found a French bean that I'm really excited about yet, like, because they weren't very prolific. They were just very disappointing. So I'm hoping that one of these bad boys will be good. The only problem is they do go green when you cook them. These are some more globe artichokes from my perennial garden. So I'm growing them from seed. So, and then some more microgreens, same mix. Over here are same beans as before. So we've got the queens, got some fire tongue, and then I've got, so I'm just gonna pop these all back on. So I'm really excited about some of the varieties that I've got here, and I'm just excited. This is a very exciting time of year, and I do think the potting shed's looking really alive. Look at the little seedlings. It's like a little teeny tiny little forest in here. There's still like a week left until my last frost. So that being said, obviously some things like this are never ever going to leave. They're going to leave and then be eaten. And I had these with my dinner, so they were great. Okay, next. Very disappointing. Last time I almost knocked them over. Knocked them over this time, didn't I? It's okay. These are the calamine. Got lots of them there. I have promised half of them to my grandma though, so I'll probably end up giving them all to her because, well, I have loads and she wants some, so there's that. I'll see how many she wants. These are these are parsley here. That's a mix of the envy and the flat leaf parsley. Just there. And this is parsley and coriander. The coriander is doing amazingly, I have to say. I'm so proud of the coriander. Okay, then I have my poppies. These are a tray of poppies. Once again, I have promised half of these to grandma. And she's a lovely lady, so she does deserve them. I can't remember. Let's have a look at the tag. These are the Shirley poppies. Shirley's doing really fantastic. These are the Holland flag poppies, and they're doing really great too. This is my jasmine. This is called Star Jasmine. It's a climber. I did actually leave it out and it got a little bit of frost damage on it. Silly, really silly mistake. Luckily I'm very paranoid about my ducks, so I went and checked on the ducks and I see that this was left out. I could kick myself sometimes. I'm so silly. Okay, then we have some more poppies there. I believe that's the Shirley. Then I have another, look at this zinnia. Look at this zinnia. I don't know what colour it'll be. I'm very excited about, but that's such a good zinnia. I'm hardening it off. It is one of the best that I have. I mean, look at that beautiful thing. Pop him down there. Okay, and then I have some more thyme. All I need is time. Ba, 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 ba. All I need is time. Okay, and then I put some lemon balm. I've actually taken some of this and had it in a tea because I have like a small cold. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. It smells fantastic. This is some more zinnia here. It's just a lovely looking plant. I'm excited about it. And then I've got, I think this is a Shirley. No, this is a Danish flag poppy. And then I've got my mushrooms up here. These are ready. Look at them. I did a harvest today and there's still loads. There's absolutely hundreds of them. Look. Ooh. And I mean, all I did was use duck bedding there. It's just duck bedding and a little bit of compost on top. Nothing special. Didn't buy a kit. I'm loving this, and I've got loads and loads and loads of mushrooms. I'm super excited about that. I mean, that's an old fish tank. It looks grim, but mushrooms. Yay! Oh, that's what I was going to say. This is the basil, the red basil. And as you can see, the abundance of the red basil. I mean, you can barely see anything but the abundance. There you go. That is the abundance of basil. Now, that has been like that for 2 days now. I don't know how many seeds are in here. But this is the first time I've ever grown red basil, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I think the rest are going to sprout up and there's going to be like a sea of basil. Basil. I keep saying basil because I've been watching too much American programs. Okay. Now let's go for this bad boy. Oh, could you imagine if I dropped it? I'd cry. Okay. Here we have the Tombola squash from last year. I saved the seeds of. Excited about it. Not really getting very much pipping or anything like that of the soil, so we'll see. I'm hoping this will grow because I saved the seed myself. I'm 90% sure it will grow. And then we have the golden zucchini here. Yeah, here. The golden zucchini. And then I've got the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. And I have the giant pumpkin here. The ones that are meant to get to like 300 kilos. I grew these last year. And I got one that was probably about 4 kilos. And then it got rot. So, we'll see. So, we will see about that. Okay. I think that's it. So, this has been the potting tour of April. As you can see, things are getting quite good. It's still not out. We're going to have... I think the last hard frost has passed, unless they change their minds. And I'm really excited about all of this and how it's planning out. But we've still got quite a long way to go before these bad boys need to be out. I'm really excited about the tomatoes and that. I do have a game plan for all of these. So yeah, I'm going to be sorting them out in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be planting out the little peppers into the hydroponics. That's all like sort of set. All we're doing is waiting for the weather to warm up. Hello and welcome to the April potting sheds. Goodness knows. Right on both sides, and then you can't... What does that say? Okay. Okay, so let's have a look at the mint. That's not mint. Where's the mint? Oh, goodness knows where the mint is. And there it is, look. Oh, I can't even find it. There. That's because it's nowhere near my finger.